All right, so we're looking at the Terahertz wands, and we're actually looking at Big Blue, the professional grade wand. And I mean, I guess we could call it professional grade. It is because it's going to work faster, but all the wands are basically going to do the same thing. This one will just take less time. And as you probably well know, I have every wand known to mankind. There's 3 models there from a couple different manufacturers, and I actually have 1 or 2 other models that are in other parts of the house here. But what I wanted to do is just give you a video on how to use the Terahertz wand. And the first thing I'm going to tell you is that this is just me personally. I use it more if it's sitting on the couch right next to me when I get home. So basically what I did here, you could see I just put a strip cord, plugged it in, and I can get it out of the way if I need to, if I have guests over. But when I get home at night, in addition to having that big piece of rose quartz and multiple models, this is the one that I'm going to use. But you know, like I said, I've used them all. They're all very effective. Some just, you know, require less time than others. So first thing is, obviously the best part of my day is sitting on the couch. So basically what I'm going to do is turn it on. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the bottoms of my feet. And the reason I'm going to do that is because, let's see there. The reason I'm going to do that is because this is a lot of acupuncture spots down here. This helps circulate energy throughout the entire part of the body. So using it on the bottom of your feet is going to be a great way to start. And you can do the bottoms of your feet even if you have a sore back, even if you have other issues going on. So this is just, you know, this is just my protocol. All right, so just finishing up the bottoms of the feet. Now, here's the part that I like the best, which is basically sitting down. Now, the first thing that I do is I just set it here on my chest and literally just blow it right into my face. So I've got it here on my chest. I'm just blowing it directly into my mouth, my face. And let's see how if I can just give you a little bit of an idea. But I can just let it sit here and run, and I honestly don't even need my hands on it. So I'm literally just sitting here letting it hit my mouth, hit the chin, my neck area. You know, I can adjust it, but the best part is I can watch TV while I'm sitting here doing it. And so I find that I use it more by doing that. And the pro one here is you know, it works a little faster, but like I've said many times, they all do the same thing. Now, in addition to that, you know, you can get all different parts of your intestines, all different parts of your body. I've been dealing with kidney stones lately, and I will tell you that using the wand in that area, around the bladder, has been extremely helpful. It really takes away a lot of the inflammation, a lot of the, I mean, just, it's helped a lot. So it won't necessarily get rid of the kidney stones, but it will definitely take you out of a lot of pain and a lot of discomfort, and that's been super, super helpful. So, you know, using it in all parts of the body. Now, you know, some subject matter here. I get calls about erectile dysfunction. I get calls, you know, about all different parts of the body in the pelvic area that can go sideways. It does help with a lot of those. Now, whether it's going to absolutely get rid of that or not, it's going to depend on the person and what's going on. But when it comes to using it for multiple things, now the other thing is, don't expect it to happen in 3 sessions. Don't have some idea that if you've got erectile dysfunction or hemorrhoids or something that you just think, oh, well, you know, I've seen testimonials and it'll work. No, you be into it for the long haul. You know, be into it for the long haul. Think about it for being at least 4 to 6 weeks, or like Tesla and Rife and all these guys, 90 days. If you have the mentality that, you know, you just want to use it once or twice, then I would suggest don't buy it. Because maybe in some cases that's possible, but in many cases it's not. And the goal is to you know, basically help the cells regenerate, bring in more circulation, detoxification, cellular regeneration. All those things can take time. But once again, just using it on the feet, and then also, although you can't really see it, I guess you can if I do this. Oh my God, there I am, and I'm really looking ugly today, but So I'll use it a lot around the top of my head and also in the back of the head for growing hair. Now, it's not ideal for photo shoots because my hair is going all over the place. But, you know, I really do like to use it a lot over the back of the head and over the top of the head because I'm starting to thin out my hair back there a little bit. And there's been numerous testimonials about how this does assist with that. And also the front. Now, I lived in San Diego for almost 30 years, a lot of wrinkles, and however bad you think they are now, they were worse at one time. So I'm going to use it around the face and definitely up on the forehead, and then just use it around various parts of the chin and neck area, you know, just to tighten up the skin. And it's done a great job for helping me with getting a lot of the wrinkles, especially out of my forehead area. I need to do a little bit more here on the sides, but everybody has a different use for it. But once again, the goal is to use regular, you know, 10-15 minutes a day or more, depending on your schedule or what you're using it for. But this is me. This is here at the house. This is just another day at the office, so to speak. And like I said, let's go ahead and switch. This is all about convenience. It's about being regular. And it's about consistency. So I'm just going to press that down, hold it, and it's going to turn this off. So like I've said, all the wands are good wands. Anybody that's telling you that they're fake or that they're knockoffs, that's totally not true. A lot of videos out there on that, but you know, everybody has a right to their opinion, but fact checking that stuff, it's all not true. So it doesn't matter if you buy the wand from me or you get it from anybody else. In fact, if you've seen people out there that are selling them, that have recommended them to you, buy the wand from that person, because everybody's out there trying to sell these things and make some extra money. But I wanted to do this video to kind of show you how I'm using it at the house. So practicality. Now for me, I've got my issues, like I said, kidney stones, trying to fix my hair. I use it a lot. Like I'll set that thing on my chest and run it into my mouth for a good solid 5-10 minutes. And it's helping my gums. My gums have more color. I saw that they were white. They were receding. They have a lot of color back in them now. I don't know if it's making my teeth any whiter, but in my little brain, I feel like it might be. But once again, this is just basically how to use a Terahertz wand. Start with the feet, like I said earlier. You can also do the palms of your hands. That's also very good. Your ears, your head, all around the head. If you do the head, even if you're not doing it for your hair, you're going to feel the energy of this item. Women are using it as a hair dryer and noticing that their hair is thickening up. And, you know, for whatever reason, and there's many reasons, you know, people do start to lose hair. So the Terahertz wands for that are fantastic. I think we're having a better day here today than Russell Wilson is. But this is just me here behind the scenes, giving you a real in-depth, basic overview. And if you've seen many of my videos before, I'm just going to take you into the other room here. This is where I've got the plasma energy spheres set up. And I know we're talking about Terahertz wands, but when we start getting into stuff that's more powerful, these plasma energy spheres, basically, there's one on each side. I could get them both set up and just get the bed straightened out a little bit there. But this is where I come in at night for about 20 minutes to a half an hour and use these. This is a whole nother technology, much different than the wands, but there's a lot of technology that's out there now that can assist people with all different types of things. So if you're looking for health and wellness, anti-aging, med bed type technology, this is definitely the type of technology that's going to, you know, help assist with a whole host of health issues. So go to our website, more information, USA MedBed, if you want to order a wand. We've got a couple of the Pro wands. In fact, you can kind of see here, if I put it next to all the other wands, you can kind of get an idea. The Pro one's bigger. So basically what's happening is that they have bigger motors. This has a bigger motor than this, which these are about the same right here, but they all do the same thing. So anybody asking, what is the best Terahertz wand? The best wand is the one you can afford. Just get one, you know. And then later you could do like I did and say, okay, well, I'm going to go from 6.0 or a 750 watt to 1,000 watt to a more of a pro one with bigger motors, bigger blowers. They throw out more energy, so don't use them quite as long. But these are the Terahertz wands. Give us a call for more information. We'll be happy to help you. Everything's in stock, ships out within 1 to 2 business days. And I think that if you get these into your home, between you, your pets, your friends, your family, you're going to find that these things are going to have a great, great use for you. So thanks for watching the video. Hit subscribe, share, and we'll see you again soon.